Gilbert, good afternoon. Happy Easter to you.
Yeah, wishing you the same, Miss Amy. Great to be here.
Great. So this correction, we don't know what's going on. We're expecting having in, I think it's less than 2 weeks now, or about 2 weeks. Is this a correction? Is it a temporary profit taking? Are people taking profit for Easter? What's really going on?
Okay, the market is in silence. It's constantly talking to us, and sometimes I even see it screaming for traders or investors to pay attention. But then many traders and investors don't have the skill to interpret its message, and this is because to interpret its message, you need the skill to interpret price action and then market structure. I know this can be an oversight. Certain times it can be costly, but then that is where market analysts always come in. And personally, I've observed that Bitcoin is perfectly moving in the sideways region. I know some people fail to catch the bigger picture, not realizing that the price fluctuation between 15–20% is normal for large market cap assets like Bitcoin and even Ethereum. As a matter of fact, it is always beneficial. And this is because it allows this asset build a good structure, a good support zone for its next leg up, which personally for me, assessing the market structure, I think that next leg up will move us up to 80K and even 100K in a high speed. But in trading terms, this is called a bullish sideways movement. Most people call it an accumulation region, but this is a phase where profit taking always takes place and then allows new incoming investments. But then in a smaller time frame, before coming here, I realized that Bitcoin was printing a cup and handle pattern. So what it is telling us is that there is a potential downward movement that is to still take place. But before all of this, 60K is a strong support level. We have another support key as part of this sideways, the upcoming bullish trend that will happen. But then I will still want people to remember that Bitcoin is sitting in its lowest it has been in an exchange of about 1.7 million Bitcoin on exchanges. We have the Bitcoin halving on the sideline, also the ET and the exchange traded notes, which is the UK's version of ETF, all on the sidelines. All of this is going to bring a more massive demand for the limited supply of Bitcoin.
So how are you preparing for the halving, Gilbert?
Oh, interesting enough, this downward movement is always an opportunity to re-enter into the market. This is more of a discount sale. So personally, what I am doing is making sure I'm building the right investment portfolio. Probably I'm not done with building my investment portfolio, but downturn like this allows me to rebalance my portfolios, weak assets for stronger ones, so that I could take advantage of the bullish market which is before us.
All right, with Gilbert, well, I'm sure nobody can be done building their investment portfolio. Even the richest man in Africa, Mr. Aliko Dangote, is still building his portfolio. Well, thank you so much for your time, and do enjoy the rest of the holiday.